Today I'll show you how to screen record on Windows 10. So first of all we need to install a screen recording software. So first go to any browser you prefer. I am using Chrome browser, and you have to search FreeCam and you will see their official website. You have to open their website and just fill in the process for downloading the software. And once you have installed the software, follow the on-screen instructions to install the software. It's pretty quick, and with just a few clicks you are ready to go. And once it installed, launch FreeCam. When it's open, you will see a clean interface with two options to select the screen area what you want to record. And to start recording, click on new recording. You can either record the entire screen or select a specific area to capture. Once you are ready, hit that record button. FreeCam will automatically start to capture everything on the screen. And when you are done, click on the stop button and you will be able to preview your video. You can trim the video or add effects if needed, or you can directly upload the video to YouTube. You just have to press that and link your YouTube account. Finally, if you want to save it, hit save as to save your recording to your desired location. And that's it. You have successfully recorded your screen using a screen recorder application on Windows. Just before you start, you can also adjust your microphone settings by clicking on microphone icon. And if you want to record audio, make sure microphone is selected. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button and share it with others, and let me know in the comments if you need help with anything else.